What's up, you guys? It's your girl Kiamani, and I'm back at it again with another video. And this unit is from Amanda Hair. She is a 13 by 6 HD lace deep wave unit, and she is 26 inches. The lace on her was bomb, and I really want to highlight that because I really love the lace on here. As of recently, the wigs that I've been reviewing, I've been making sure that I've been getting sent the best of the best lace because that truly does make a difference. Even though it kind of seems like it's a little light, once you melt the lace, it'll blend in perfectly. So I did cut the lace with my scissors, and we're going to start the melting process. So once I cut the lace off, I did pull out a little bit of my own baby hairs to give it a more natural effect, a more natural look. I've never tried this technique before, so I wanted to see how this was gonna go, especially because this is HD lace, and personally, HD lace is my personal fave. Setting foam, how it brought out the texture of the hair, I really did like that, but I don't know if it's the specific setting foam that I use. I don't really like the crunchy look, so maybe I'm gonna try a different one just to see if I can get a better effect with something else. But I didn't really like how crunchy it was. But I did decide to do a half up, half down because the side part, it was cute, but it wasn't giving me enough. So when you are doing ponytails, I definitely recommend holding your lace down with some elastic just so it's not going to lift, because I like to slick my ponytails. Like, I need a real good ponytail. To get a perfect ponytail, girl, I always say this. It's essential to use a freeze spray and your hot comb. Ensure that I don't get the back caught in the ponytail, I'm going to tie that part up and I'm going to put the ponytail in. I like to use two ponytail holders. I feel like it gives you a better grip. I don't know, maybe it's a mind thing, but I always like to use two ponytail holders, so that's what we're doing. And here is the final look. I love it. So if you do want to pick up this wig and try this out yourself, everything on her is going to be in the description box down below. Thank you so much to Amanda here for sending me this wig, and I'll see you on my next one.